Hello everybody, welcome to our channel PMN Online. Here I will show you how to export TradingView Watchlist. If you've ever found yourself needing to manage your trading instruments more efficiently or share your list with someone else, then you're in the right place. Today, we'll walk you through the simple steps to export your watchlist, ensuring you have a handy backup or a neatly formatted list ready for any occasion. Let's get started by finding the watchlist panel in TradingView. It's conveniently located on the right side of your chart. This panel is your gateway to all the stocks or instruments you're watching closely, and it's the key to managing your trades better. To access more advanced features, click on the Advanced View. Now, why bother with the Advanced View? Well, it gives you a more detailed and comprehensive look at your list, providing more control and options for managing your watch lists. Once you're in the Advanced View, a pop-up window will appear. This is where the magic begins. In this table, you'll see several options, but you'll want to focus on the option to export your watch list. Look for the Export List option and give it a click. This action will trigger the download of a .txt file. This file will include all the symbols in your list, neatly formatted in the exchange symbol style and separated by commas. It's important to note this format as it makes it easier to handle later on. Now that you have your exported file, you're ready for the next steps. You can open this file with several applications, depending on your preference and what you wish to accomplish. Microsoft Excel is a favorite for those who want to analyze data, while Notepad offers a quick view or allows for simple edits. Alternatively, Google Sheets provides a great free online option for those who prefer working in the cloud or need to collaborate with others. Regardless of which program you choose, you may want to format or clean your list. This step could include removing duplicates, organizing by exchange, or simply tidying up the contents to fit your particular needs. Once you've perfected the list to your liking, decide on the most suitable format for saving it. A text file is excellent for simplicity and sharing over email, while a CSV file opens up more options for integration with other software or services. Saving your list in one of these formats ensures flexibility for future use, whether you're backing it up or sharing it with trading partners. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully exported and prepared your TradingView watchlist for your future trading needs. Whether you're securing against unexpected data loss or collaborating with others, having an exported watchlist is an invaluable tool for every trader. Hopefully this guide helped you easily master how to export TradingView Watchlist. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel PMN Online.